Hi, my name is Christina Smith, and I'm the founder and director of the 501c3 organization Sonido Del Movimiento. Our mission is with Christ, we use music and dance with children of the Americas, especially Central America, to promote tools of resiliency, express emotion, and community build. Our mission is simple. We just believe that in communities where there are basic minimal resources, people can't fulfill the self-actualization needs and things like creative arts because they're using their resources and opportunities to invest in basic needs like food, healthcare, employment, and education. And rightfully so, these are important needs. However, we believe the self-actualization needs and the creative arts needs are just as important. So we want to provide resources to children to help fulfill all of their human developmental needs. In 2016, we started in Guatemala, where we work with local musicians, dancers, and NGOs to provide weekly music and dance activities to children in the community. If you want to know more about us or if you want to donate, please visit us at www.sdmca.org. That's www.sdmca.org. Thanks.